How to connect YouTube to a Panasonic TV. Connecting YouTube to your Panasonic TV involves accessing the app and linking your account. The process may vary slightly depending on whether your TV is a smart TV with built-in YouTube or requires an external device like a streaming stick. Follow these steps. Step 1. Ensure internet connection. Make sure your Panasonic TV is connected to the internet. Go to Menu Network Connection and connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Open the YouTube app. Press the Apps button on your remote or navigate to the Smart Hub Josh home screen. Locate and select the YouTube app from the app list. Step 3. Update or install the YouTube app if needed. If the YouTube app isn't available or doesn't open, go to the App Store on your TV. Panasonic Apps Market. Search for YouTube and install or update the app. Step 4. Open YouTube and sign in. Launch the YouTube app on your TV. Select Sign In or Settings from the menu. A code will appear on your TV screen. Step 5. Link your account. Using your phone or computer, go to youtube.com/activate. Log in with your Google account if prompted. Enter the code displayed on your TV and click Next. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Grant permission for the YouTube app to connect to your account. Your TV will automatically refresh and show your personalized YouTube homepage. Step 7. Start watching. Use your remote to browse and watch YouTube videos. Alternatively, cast videos from your phone or computer by clicking the Cast icon in the YouTube app and selecting your Panasonic TV. These steps will connect YouTube to your Panasonic TV, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content directly on the big screen.